Before diving into the enchanting world of William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, it's important to have a basic understanding of the main characters. The play is filled with a colorful cast of characters, each with their own unique personalities and quirks. By taking the time to learn about the characters, you'll be able to fully appreciate the intricate plot and understand the motivations behind their actions. But before we continue, let us shine a spotlight on one of the central figures in this delightful tale. Hippolyta. Hippolyta, the majestic and powerful queen of the Amazons, possesses a regal presence that commands respect and admiration. She is a woman of unparalleled beauty, strength, and wisdom, embodying the epitome of feminine power. With her striking appearance and formidable demeanor, she captures the attention of all who encounter her. Hippolyta possesses an extraordinary physicality that sets her apart from others. Her stature is statuesque and imposing, standing tall and proud with a commanding presence. Her jet black hair cascades down her back, accentuating her sharp features and piercing, intelligent eyes that exude both warmth and authority. Her toned physique showcases the result of years of rigorous training and disciplined dedication. Beneath her regal exterior, Hippolyta possesses a deep sense of compassion and a profound understanding of justice. As the leader of the Amazons, she is fair, wise, and level-headed in her decisions, taking into account the welfare of her people and the greater good. Hippolyta's strength lies not only in her physical prowess but also in her ability to inspire and unite her Amazon sisters through her unwavering determination and unwavering dedication to their cause. As the queen of the Amazons, Hippolyta is a natural-born leader, adept at commanding the respect and loyalty of her subjects. Her wisdom, earned through years of experience in contemplation, guides her in making sound judgments and strategic decisions. Under her rule, the Amazons thrive as a self-sufficient and egalitarian society, where each member is valued and empowered. Hippolyta's marriage to Theseus, the legendary hero and king of Athens, adds another layer to her character. While initially arranged, their union transcends politics and evolves into a partnership built on mutual respect and admiration. Hippolyta's love for Theseus is deep and unwavering, and she supports him in his endeavors while maintaining her own sovereignty as the queen of the Amazons. Although her role as queen requires her to engage in conflicts and protect her people, Hippolyta is a proponent of peace and harmony. She seeks diplomatic solutions whenever possible, but when provoked, she can unleash her formidable warrior skills with unparalleled grace and precision. Her dedication to maintaining balance and justice guides her actions on and off the battlefield. Hippolyta's influence extends far beyond her own lifetime. Her leadership and unwavering commitment to her people inspire generations of Amazons to come. Her strength, both physical and mental, becomes a symbol of empowerment and resilience for women throughout the world. Even in her absence, her legacy continues to shape the Amazonian culture and their quest for justice and equality. Hippolyta, queen of the Amazons and bride of Theseus, stands as a paragon of strength, wisdom, and love. Her story, steeped in mythology and renowned for her prowess, is a testament to the indomitable spirit of women who rise above adversity and lead with compassion and grace. My fellow explorers of literature, join me in our next episode as we immerse ourselves in the captivating world of complexity that is an integral part of this enchanting play. Until then, stay curious and embrace the magic of Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream.